Just in case you're not sure how these work, I'm going to show you. It's super easy. Let's go. For the littlest one, it comes with this little plastic inside. You pop it open. Notice that there's two sides. One side is actually a little bit wider and has these plastic hooks. So that's the side you're going to enter on. Put it through, and then you let these little white knobs hook in on themselves. And you've got yourself a paper lantern. So you see the inside little plastic piece is holding it open and giving you a place to hang it from. If we're talking about one of this size, or any of the ones that are in the bags, instead of it being plastic, it's metal. It has a slightly different type of middle. The same kind of design though, where there's a little area here to hang it. There's two pokey sides and then there's two indented sides. So you open up your paper lantern. Try to be a little bit gentle. It's not super fragile, but you don't want to like, there's a larger side with two metal hooks and there's a smaller side. You're gonna enter through the larger side, putting the indented side down, and then you're gonna hook on the little pokey part with the hook inside. Your metal will bend a little bit, and that's okay. You might need to adjust the bottom afterwards to make sure that it's fitting properly. But there you go, you have your next size up. Normally, it's best to hang these with fishing wire or something clear like that, because then it looks like they're actually floating. But I only have the green string, so I'm gonna use that. Sorry about that. I filmed the whole thing and then I realized that my phone had died and then I was tired. So here I am, it's the next day. This is the result of putting up those paper lanterns. I hope you saw how easy it was for me to make each lantern and how quickly I was able to get those made and then hung. You can definitely use them outside. They're paper, they won't last forever, but I've had mine outside for 2 months now and they're still hanging strong. The color's just fading a little bit.